Hello friends, welcome to my next video. Most of you know that you need to publish a lot of papers for your research work and for your academic credential. And in India, you know that very well, publication in UGC CARE listed journals are important, especially if you work in arts and science colleges. And it is mandatory for you to publish papers in UGC CARE listed journal to submit your PhD or for you to claim any point for your promotion or other things. But some of you are not aware of what is this UGC CARE listed journal, and even if you have heard about it, you may not know how to check those things, because some of you may land in giving some paid journal, you giving your money, at the end of the day you identify that that journal is not listed in the UGC CARE list. So this video will give you a complete guidelines about how to check those things and how to identify a good UGC CARE list journal and where to find those things, all those credentials. How can you check? Let me give you a complete guideline, and you will be able to see that thing. I'll give you the demonstration about how to go to their website, and I'll show you everything, and it will be really useful. And please watch this video right from the beginning to till the end, so that you will get a complete understanding. And if you like this video, at the end of the video, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you will get a lot of research related videos, and you will get a lot of wide range of research related videos in my YouTube channel, and other videos links have been posted in the chat, what you call description box. Please do not forget to go and check it out. If if you find any video useful, you can watch it and you can share to your friends. And now let me take you to the demonstration. Friends, first you have to go to the Google. Just you type this ugccare.unipune.ac.in. Once you type this, you will come to this page, and otherwise just simply go to Google. Let me show you. Just go to Google and type UGC CARE. Just type UGC CARE list. You will get this website. That's what already I have opened here. And once it comes here, before I take you to the UGC CARE list 1 and 2 journal, have to check those things. First, let me tell you that this is the website. You need to keep a track of it regularly, because UGC is updating the journal list now and then. I think as of now they are updating once in 3 months. Look at there, the scrolling is going on. It says that deadline for the submission of the new journal will be 10th March. Journals after that, it might be considered. That means after 10th March probably the committee will review. They will update the new journal maybe the next April. Look at there, April 21 update. They will update the new list of journal in the April 21. It means that there are some journals may be removed from the CARE list. So you have to be careful. Whatever the journals are there today, it may not be there after this updation. That's why you have to be very careful, and you are publishing in a right journal. And look at there, the UGC has given an alert here. There are a lot of cloned journal. What do you mean by cloned journal? They simply copy the originally UGC CARE listed journal. They'll run the other journal in the same name, same ISBN number, but it will not be listed. That's why UGC has identified those journals. They have given clearly. Look at there in the group 1. These are the list of journal. Say for let us take the first one, the original journal. This is the print journal. See, please kindly make sure that the print journals will not have the online version. Print journal they'll print only print. They do not publish anything in the online. But look at that. This is the print journal, title ABRU, language and ISSN number, everything. There is no URL, because print journal will not have any URL, any website. But the same journal they are maintaining in the with the same ISSN number, but they have the URL. The title, instead of ABRU, just they have added ABRU journal. So you may not know which is correct. That's why you have to be careful. Please kindly have a look at all these cloned journal. They have given a clear list almost in the group 1. There are 2 groups list of journal. Here the first list they have given 27 journals. Please all of you just look at these things. If you find surface level, you will not be able to identify the difference. You have to go detailed. That's why you have to check all this in clearly. Whenever somebody says it's a print journal, and when they say they'll give the link to the particular journal, web link means do not believe that, because that is a clone journal, number one. And let me take you to the another group 2, because you know that UGC has a 2 list. This is the group 2 journal. Look at there. Simply there won't be any big difference, just they'll add either journal or they'll add as a international, some small things they'll simply add, and finally they make it as a what you call a journal, because a lot of people, they become a prey to these kind of predatory journal and false pseudo journal. They publish, they pay amount to the publication. At the end of the day, it is going to be completely waste. So be careful about this thing. Okay, now come to know what you mean by group 1 and UGC CARE group list 2. See, there are two things. See, UGC CARE list group 1 means the UGC has certain guidelines that need to be followed, a journal to be listed in the UGC CARE. So the journal which qualifies those guidelines will be listed in UGC CARE list 1. UGC CARE list 2, it may be already listed in the very standard database, international standard database like Scopus or Web of Science. These journals are listed under UGC CARE list group 2. So UGC group 1, comparatively it may not be such a international standard, but UGC has our own norms. So if that particular journal fulfill that norms, it will be there in UGC group list 1. And if you publish in UGC CARE list group 2, it is more quality, because the same journal could have been listed in Scopus and Web of Science also. That you need to verify, and that's why UGC CARE list 1 and list 2 is two are different. One is in Indian level, another one is in international level. Fine. First of all, these UGC CARE list, Scopus list, Web of Science, these are a database where these databases list certain these journals. So you can rely on when the particular journal listed in that particular database means it is a good journal. That way you can come to a conclusion. Now, how to check whether a particular journal is listed? Very simple. In this same link, just go to this particular web page. Just you have to click and you go to the open new window, and you get this thing. Sorry, this one. Okay. Here it says UGC CARE list 1 arts and humanities, and okay, you need to search it. So here you can actually, before this there is one more process is there, because since I have already registered, it has come straight away to this particular link. If you are a first time user, it will ask you to register. Just to go to that link, simply you have to give your name, institution and basic details. Then once you register, giving your username and password, maybe email ID and password, and keep those things, just keep in your mind, so that when you come to the next time, you have to enter that. Once you enter it, automatically it will come to the UGC CARE list 1. So you can search the journals in these aspects. One is by the title, by ISSN number, by publisher name, by subject, by language of publication. And look at there, these are the total journals. In sciences there are 309, social sciences 279, arts and humanities 333, multidisciplinary 43, Indian language. These are the total journals listed in UGC CARE list 1. Fine. And let us first of all we'll try something in arts and humanities. Let us click this. These are all the already list available. You can go, there are 375 entries. You can go to all the pages. You can check ABRU print only. This ABRU already, the clone journal web version is not accepted, only print only. You can know all these things. And if you want to know exactly probably a particular subject, let me enter English. Is there any journal available for English? Okay, it is not coming. Okay, sorry, I need to enter the title and English, and I am searching it. Yeah, directly there are 4 journals available for English. That is the Grove Working Papers on English Studies, which is published by Department of English, Philology, Faculty of Humanities, Jain University. And then Pragati English Journal, it is by Pragati Educational Council. So these 4 journals straight away for English. There may be a multidisciplinary journal that may accept the English papers also. And here look at there, And these journal, very importantly, the second journal, Prakriti English Journal, has been discontinued from Jan 2020. Even though it is in the list, but now it is discontinued. Why do they discontinue? When the particular journal doesn't maintain the standard, the quality of publication, then the UGC CARE, they may remove the journal. That's why they are updating once in 3 months. Every quarter, when they update, if the particular journal, they publish lots and lots of papers, then absolutely they will be removed from the Scopus. So, sorry, not Scopus, from this UGC CARE list. The same thing applicable to the Scopus also. So, you have to be careful. And if you want to know the action, just click this one. Look at there. Journal title and all the detail available. In case the journal web page is available, you can find here. Just you can go to the web page. Yeah, this is the journal page. So, you can check whether current issue and what are the other things available, and all those stuff you will be able to identify. Got it? This is how you need to check the journal. If certain journal, they may not have the web version. If it is there, it is well and good. You can go to this is the first thing you have to click and check, and you can verify if it is really good. Everything is there. So, this one also for the next check, let me show you. Yeah, it is there. You can there are so many journal, you can go to the particular journal you want to check in that same university. Okay. Now, let us go to the group 2. This is group 1. Then we need to know the group 2, that is UGC CARE list 2. And let me click this. Okay. Okay, now we will talk Web of Science, Scopus. These are the list, UGC Web of Science. So, when you go to the UGC list 2, it straight away gives you the link of Web of Science, then Scopus, and look at what are the databases. Look at there: Arts and Humanities Citation Index, Science and Science Citation Index, Social Sciences Citation. These are the Web of Science journal, which is of high quality. Generally, to publish in Web of Science journal, it requires a lot of time and dedication, and the same thing goes to the Scopus also. And Web of Science, let us check one thing. Same, let us verify English. Let us check what are the journals available in English for English. Look at there. Exact match fund, there are 82 results. We will go one by one. Look at the first one, it comes Oxford University Press, Great Clarendon St. Oxford, England. This is the one journal. And look at the other one. It goes Arab World English Journal. Just let us view profile page. We will verify. Okay, we have to sign in. I think I have an account already. Here also same thing, you have to create an account. Let me sign in. Okay, here it is there. I have already my Google thing, so I can use the Google account. Automatically I can sign in. So it asked me my code, but actually I don't have a phone right now. So simple, it's very simple how I have shown you the UGC CARE list 1. Similarly, for the Web of Science, you have to create a simple creating what you call login ID is very simple. Just you have to register. Just you go there and you check. After that, the same similarly how I have searched, you have to search, and you can search based on the title, ISSN number, publisher, even the author name. Same thing is applicable for the Scopus also. Let us try whether Scopus works. Yeah, here the entire list is coming, 100% entire things are coming with the entire title of the journal. Now you can go to the, here we will go to the subject area. Okay, title, same thing I am trying English. Just I am typing only English. Let us check how many journals are there. Look at the 193 results are there. because whatever related to that, because it's a search item only. No, it may not bring you the exact English journal, but wherever the word English find, it will be there. And these are the journal. Look at that. This is what very important. One high quality journal, English for specific purposes. You click any journal, and now how would you know that whether the journal is in the coverage? Probably you can see this particular journal again how the UGC CARE list is maintained. Similarly, this also maintained Scopus coverage year 1998, 1980 and 81. Then it is discontinued. After that, 1986 again listed. Now still today it is till today it is in the list, and you can see that these are the citation score, HIR, SNI. I'll talk about these things in one more the next video. And you can see that how many papers they published in 90. See, social sciences, arts and humanities. These are the certain other statistics. I'll be talking about these things in detail in next thing. So only thing you have to know whether this journal is listed, because it is in the Scopus database only, and it is there from 1986 to present. In case if it is 1986 to 2020, it means that after 2020 it is discontinued. So you have to know all these thing. So UGC CARE list 2 listed the Web of Science journal as well as Scopus database journal. And generally, compared to group 1, list 1 and list 2 publication may be very tough. The reason is they are maintaining very high international standard. But make sure that the simple technique to understand how the journal is quality. If a journal publishes only a limited number of papers in a issue, absolutely that is a quality journal. In case it publishes too many lots and lots of paper, then that may not be really quality paper, quality journal. So please check all these things. Finally decide where you need to publish. Please do not land into the lot of predatory journal which simply they'll tell you that will publish quickly, but at the end of the day that journal may not be there in the list. So I think this video definitely will guide you how to do, could have guided you to know about UGC CARE listed journal and how to identify and all those things. And if you like, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and importantly, please leave your comments in case you want me to do some other video. Just you put it in the comment box. Let me do it the next. And with this, let me wind up. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.